Hey YouTube, it's Jalen Mooring, and today we're looking at a severe thunderstorm coming through my area. Today's date is 6/1/19. Read the severe thunderstorm watch now. National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 302 in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for the following areas in Michigan. This watch includes 7 counties in southeast Michigan: Lenawee, Monroe, Wayne, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, and Washtenaw. This includes the city of Adrian, Ann Arbor, Brighton, Canton, Dearborn, Ferndale, Fowlerville, Howell, Lambertville, Lincoln Park, Livonia, Monroe, Novi, Pontiac, Westford, Royal Oak, Southfield, St. Clair Shores, Sterling Heights, Taylor, Temperance, Troy, Warren, Waterford, and Westland. Oh goodness, it's getting really strong out there. Show you the current radar. That's it, right there. That's the storm that we're going through. As you can see, there's a ton of rain falling with this thing. Sorry if you couldn't hear me well. There's rain falling everywhere. It's getting pretty hot in the car because I'm filming because I want to get wet. But I'm going to open up the door so you can see. Open up the door here. There it is. Man. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to wait for this storm to pass. There's radar again. I think the worst of it's still back towards Jackson.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Okay, as you could just heard, severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for this area now. I'll read the warning on my phone now. Yeah, this storm is getting very close to the Ann Arbor Milan area. And it's pretty obvious that it's right over my area now. Man, good thing we missed out on these storms up in the UP. These storms look a lot messier than these ones down here. Zoom it out. Oh man, rain is getting a lot heavier now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ride this storm out, guys, because I don't want to get wet. My camera is gonna get wet if I go out there. Anyway, bye.